Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful ear warmer using Chevron Stitch. For this, we are using two colors of yarn, crochet hook, cutter and a needle. This ear warmer looks so cute and beautiful and it is done using Chevron Stitch pattern. If you see, the width of the ear warmer is 8 cm and the length is 24 centimeters. So if you see the whole circumference of this ear warmer, so it comes around 50 centimeters. This ear warmer is done in bitwise first. So first we will do a rectangular shape and then we will fold them and join both the ends to form like this beautiful ear warmer. We have used two colors to do this ear warmer. To do this ear warmer, we want to know the basic stitches like slip knot, chain, single crochet and slip stitch. It is a beginner friendly project and it is very easy to do. So now let's see how to do this beautiful ear warmer. Do a slip knot. Foundation chain should be any odd number. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as chain. So the foundation chain should be any odd number. We are going to do 21 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. After doing 21 chain, it looks like this. For next row, you are going to do 2 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So 1, 2. So in this second chain, we are going to do 2 single crochet. Insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is what we say it as single crochet. Do one more single crochet in the same stitch. Insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. So now we have done 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Next stitch, 1 single crochet. Likewise, you are going to do 1 single crochet in each stitch for 8 stitches.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Next, skip 2 stitch. 1, 2. The third stitch, do 1 single crochet. Likewise, you are going to do 1 single crochet in each stitch for 8 stitches.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So now you'll be left with last stitch and in the last stitch you'll be doing 2 single crochet. 1, 2. So after doing them it looks like this. For next row we are going to change the color. So we will not finish this last single crochet using the same color. Instead we will take the other color to finish the single crochet. Next do chain 1, turn your work. From this row onwards, we are going to work on the back loops. So if you see a chain, there will be a V-like structure here. So this will be the front loop and this is the back loops. So we are going to work on the back loops. Do 2 single crochet in the first stitch. 1, 2. Then do single crochet in each stitch for 8 stitches.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Then skip 2 stitch. 1, 2 and do single crochet in each stitch for 8 stitches. After doing 8 single crochet, it looks like this. Now you'll be left with the last stitch. In the last stitch, you'll be doing 2 single crochet. 1, 2. For next row, chain 1, turn your work. The first stitch, do 2 single crochet only in the back loops. Then do single crochet in each stitch for 8 stitches. After doing single crochet in each stitch for 8 stitches, it looks like this. Next, skip 2 stitch, 1, 2 and then do single crochet in each stitch for 8 stitches. And in the last stitch, you are going to do 2 single crochet how we did in the start of this row. After doing them, it looks like this. Now we will not complete the last single crochet with the same color. For next row, we are going to change the color. So we will complete the single crochet using the other color. Next do chain 1, turn your work, do 2 single crochet in the first stitch. So by following this pattern, you have to do them till the required size you want. So the pattern is, while starting the row, do 2 single crochet, then do single crochet in each stitch for 8 stitches, then leave 2 single crochet, then do single crochet in each stitch for 8 stitches, and in the last stitch we are going to do 2 single crochet. So we have to follow this pattern till the required size we want. After doing them till the required size, it looks like this. If you see, have done them for 50 centimeter and the width would be 8 centimeter. So now you can snip off this blue color yarn. So next we are going to do single crochet in each stitch around. Here do 1 single crochet. So in each stitch we'll be doing 1 single crochet. So it looks like this. Likewise, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch around till you reach this end. So after doing single crochet in each stitch around, it looks like this. Next, do chain 1 and snip off this yarn. Next, you can fold them like this and you are going to join both the ends together. So now let's see how to join them. You can make a knot here. So it looks like this. Likewise, you are going to join both these sides like this. You have to join them till you reach this end. After joining them, the ear warmer looks like this. Ear warmer using Chevron Stitch pattern looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.